enemy fire. And this was what these guys used to do. They'd be firing with the Gatling gun right now.
Emergencies was, we certainly do in this day and age. It's developed from the T-37 Tweet, which was also built by Cessna. It was strengthened. They had two 2,850 horsepower, shaft horsepower, I'll go again, pounds thrust, engines installed, and numerous hard points along the wings that could carry 500-pound bombs, could carry rockets, could carry napalm, or it could carry, in this case, you can see the aircraft is fitted with 4 drop tanks that can be used to either increase endurance or increase range. Initially, about 40 of these aircraft were sent to Vietnam under the term Operation Combat Dragon, to assess their combat effectiveness. 254 went to South Vietnam and operated with over 10 squadrons. They completed about 167